Hi guys and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a walkthrough for what I decided to code for my week 2 lab. So for my week 2 lab I created a program that rolls the dice. And basically, as you can see here from the header, I basically tell you, it gives you the program name, which is dice, my name for the author, the day I finished the program, and then the synopsis, which basically gives me a summary of what my program does. So basically for this program, it's going to roll 2 dice for me, the user, and it's gonna give me back the numbers I got for each dice roll, and it's gonna sum it together to get a total number. And then it's gonna roll 2 dice for the computer, and then it's gonna give me what that computer got for those 2 dice rolls in the total. And then basically, whoever had the higher number of a higher total number would win that round. So right here we can see I have the import Java code. So this code right here is so that I'll be able to generate random numbers, because without this, I kept getting an error when I ran my program. As we see here under this string, I basically put a comment that tells me what this code is for. And basically tell me it's going to generate a dice roll for the user. This is the user's code right here. So as you can see, I have the random dice 1. That's going to be the first dice for me, and then the dice 2 right here. And basically, I created an integer so that you can store whatever dice 1 whatever the outcome for dice 1 was, it would be stored under A. So as you can see in the system out, what I wanted to this, as you can see in the, what's it called? As you can see in the string right there, I keep forgetting that. As you can see in the string, I put in the, I put in what I want my program to display, which is gonna say for your first dice you rolled A, and then I added the plus A right here, which is basically gonna say, give me the number, whatever I got for that first dice roll is gonna display right next to the whatever I rolled. And then I basically did the same thing for the second dice right here, as you can see. And then moving on to the total, how I calculated the total. I had an issue trying to get the sum to sum this up, because I forget what, I kept writing the wrong code, but I did a couple of research on W3 School. I was able to like find the right one, which was to put the sum of whatever I got for A and B, to put that on the C, the integer C. So basically, just like I did before, I would say your total was plus whatever this came out to. And then I did that, that's for the users, that's the user section right there. And then I did the same thing for the computer, as you see here. And then finally, I created an if statement. So basically, this statement says is if C, which is basically the total for the user's dice roll, is greater than the total for the computer's dice roll, then it should display you win. But if that is not so, if the computer is greater than the users, then it should display the computer wins. As we can see, when I run this program, it shows here, it shows me my total was 3 for the user, and the total for the computer was 7. So in this system, the computer wins this round. So yeah, that's pretty much what I did for my program, and yeah, that's it.